Tracking your forecast, I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens. We are tracking some major changes as we wrap up this week. A winter storm system coming in with gusty winds, rain, snow, and a big drop in temperatures. And this is all starting tonight going into tomorrow morning. That's going to be round one of potential rain in the valley. The second round is going to come Friday morning, and that could bring even more. In fact, some significant impacts to your morning commute, potentially here in central Arizona and up across the high country as that snow continues to pile up. So Friday, we're going to be in weather action mode here. It's a reminder that you may need to take action to prepare for this storm or to even just change outdoor plans you might have as this storm comes in. So again, Friday, an ABC 15 weather action day with 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of rain expected here in the Phoenix metro area. It's mainly going to be Friday through about lunchtime, but we could see a brief window of some rain early tomorrow morning as well. So for the next 2 mornings, the chance for rain on your drive into work. The snow level up north down to 4,000 feet, 2 to 6 inches of it possible along the Mogollon Rim, about 4 to 8 in Flagstaff. And if they end up on the higher range of that, near 8 inches, they could get more out of this one storm than we got during the entire winter combined. Only 8.5 inches of snow for December, January, and February so far in the Flagstaff area. So again, this one storm could produce just as much in the coming days. Winds are also going to be really gusty, and gusts at 45, even 55 miles per hour can be possible as the storm races in. Here's tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. You can see that snow potential up in the Flagstaff area, maybe a few showers here in Phoenix as well. And then it does look like we get into a lull Thursday night before the next round comes in on Friday morning. And again, this is going to be the biggest impactful time across the state Friday morning through the early afternoon hours. The winds, though, are going to be strongest tomorrow, particularly in the afternoon. Wind advisories across northeastern Arizona and out west as well, where we may see some blowing dust. Here in the valley, our temperatures taking us into the low 70s tomorrow, and we will see afternoon wind gusts at about 30 to 35 miles per hour. Now, as we walk you through the next 7 days, we'll drop to 59 on Friday for that weather action day. Right now, we have it at a 50% chance for rain, mainly in the morning, and then we're going to dry out and warm up. Phoenix back into the 80s by Monday, but another potential storm could move in on Tuesday with more of the same. Valley rain, snow up north, more wind, and a big drop in temperatures.